Whoa, hold up. Just when we thought DJI had already peaked in the wireless mic space with the Mic 2, out comes the unexpected twist. The DJI Mic 3. This thing hit the scene through leaks and early images, and the reactions, let's just say they've been mixed. It's one of those launches that surprises everyone, but not necessarily in the way you'd expect. Now, before we dive into what's new and what's causing a stir, we need to take a quick trip back in time. Remember the DJI Mic 1? That was the mic that got everyone excited. Compact, wireless, and super easy to use, it instantly became a favorite among vloggers, content creators, and even filmmakers. And then came the DJI Mic 2, a serious upgrade that raised the bar with more professional features. But now, we're staring at the Mic 3, and it's got people talking for reasons that might not all be good. Let's break it down. The evolution, the big changes, and whether this new mic is a creative dream or a surprising miss. Let's start at the beginning of the DJI Mic journey. When the original DJI Mic launched, it felt like a breath of fresh air. Creators were finally given a compact, easy-to-use wireless mic system that didn't require bulky gear or complicated setups. It had built-in recording, which meant no need to rely on an external device. And the sound quality? Pretty great for its size. It quickly found a home with vloggers, social media creators, and even indie filmmakers looking for reliable wireless audio on the go. Then came the DJI Mic 2. This wasn't just an upgrade, it was a full-blown leap forward. The Mic 2 added major features that catered to serious users. Things like advanced noise reduction, better audio fidelity, and support for third-party lav mics, and it didn't stop there. A sleek design, a smart charging case, and improved connectivity made it the go-to option for creators who wanted professional-level audio without the hassle. Now, fast forward to today. Leaked details of the DJI Mic 3 have started to surface, revealing what could be the next chapter in this audio evolution, but with some unexpected choices. The design looks refined and minimalistic, which is great for portability. The receiver has a fresh new screen layout shaped almost like a squirrel with a clean interface. The case has been redesigned, making it even more compact and travel-friendly. All good signs. But then came the big surprise, and not in a good way. Some eagle-eyed followers noticed something missing from the Mic 3's design. Where's the lav mic input? On closer inspection, it turns out the Mic 3 does not feature a 3.5mm lavalier input on the transmitter. This is a huge shift from the Mic 2 and immediately sent shockwaves through the creator community. Why is this such a big deal? For professionals and filmmakers, lav mics are essential tools. They allow for discreet placement, cleaner sound, and better control in challenging recording environments. Not having the option to plug in an external mic severely limits flexibility. Yes, the built-in mic on the transmitter is still there, and it likely sounds decent, maybe even great. But forcing creators to rely only on that built-in mic removes a whole layer of creative control. Imagine filming a wedding or an interview where you need the mic hidden under clothing. Without a lav input, that's no longer possible. Sure, the onboard mic works for quick vlogs or walk-and-talks, but it's not ideal for more polished productions. It's like being handed a premium camera and then being told you can only use one fixed lens. Yes, you can shoot, but you lose the ability to adapt to different creative needs. This design choice has split opinions. Some content creators who shoot casual, run-and-gun style videos may still find the Mic 3 appealing. It's small, simple, and likely to be very easy to set up and use. If all you need is a fast and wireless solution with good sound, this may check all your boxes. But for those working in more controlled environments, think interviews, short films, tutorials, and commercial shoots, the Mic 2 still stands out as the better option. It offers more flexibility, more features, and the ability to customize your setup with external mics. Another point worth discussing is how the Mic 3 fits into DJI's broader ecosystem. DJI has a reputation for building user-friendly, reliable gear that blends into the workflow of content creators. That's why this omission is surprising. Removing a pro-level feature from a product that could otherwise compete with the best feels like a step backward for those who want more options. Now, to be clear, this doesn't make the Mic 3 a bad mic. Far from it. It could still perform very well in casual or minimal setups. The form factor is cleaner, and we expect DJI to include their usual attention to detail in terms of build quality and ease of use. But when compared directly to the Mic 2, especially in more advanced setups, the lack of a lav input is going to stand out. The Mic 3 seems to be built for simplicity, maybe even for a different kind of user, someone who values convenience over customization. That's a valid audience. But if you're looking to step up your audio game or already rely on more complex setups, this might not be your next upgrade. Rumors suggest we'll be seeing an official launch in late July or August of 2025, which lines up perfectly with the busy content creation season. As soon as hands-on reviews hit the internet, we'll know for sure whether the Mic 3 is a niche solution or the next essential tool in the DJI audio lineup. To wrap it up, the DJI Mic 3 is shaping up to be a mic built for simplicity, portability, and ease of use. It's clean, it's compact, and it's clearly designed for creators who want fast, wireless audio without the fuss. But it's also missing a key feature that a lot of professionals rely on: the ability to use an external lav mic. If your workflow is built around flexibility, quiet audio capture, or hidden mic setups, then you might want to stick with the DJI Mic 2. It still offers more tools and more control, especially when your projects demand precision. But if you're a vlogger, a traveler, or someone just starting out in content creation, and you don't need to deal with external mics, then the Mic 3 might be the perfect grab-and-go companion. We'll be keeping an eye on official announcements and hands-on tests once it launches. Until then, think about what matters most in your workflow: simplicity or flexibility. Thanks for watching Factic, your hub for the latest tech gear and creative tools. If this deep dive helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more real-world reviews, no-nonsense breakdowns, and honest takes. We've got a lot more coming your way. Stay tuned and stay creative.